In the last video, we covered very clearly about list data structure. Now we discuss about the tuple data type. This tuple exactly like list concept, but it is an immutable because it is a read-only version of list. We can also call it as a read-only version of list. Why means once we create an object, we can't perform any changes in that object. Is called immutable. We already know that thing. We can say read-only version of the list is tuple. How you can represent tuple? We can represent using parenthesis bracket. For example, the same thing t equal to parenthesis bracket 10 comma high comma 20 comma 10. Okay, the same 8 points are here. Sorry, not 8 points. Same important points here is tuple also order is preserved. Okay, and here also we can accept the duplicates. Indexing concept and slice concept is possible. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicates also allowed, I mentioned, and it should be represented in parenthesis bracket. And if you want to try to change context from context inside the tuple, it will definitely throw an error because in tuple is an immutable. You can't change any values once you create it. You can't add or remove. It will show definitely an error. Okay, let me show you. Let me execute on the code. These things are list. Okay, now I'm creating one tuple. For tuple, open parenthesis bracket is for tuple. Okay, the same thing 10 comma high comma again 10 comma 30. Okay, print type of tuple. It is tuple. Okay, now print the output. Order is preserved and duplicates are allowed. One thing, and we can all the indexing concept is available. Okay, it is available. Slicing concept is also available. Are you clear? Slicing concept and indexing concept is available. If but it is an immutable, right? So you can't change the values inside. If you trying to change the value, like I would like to change the first value as 50. Immediately it will show an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. It is a type error because it is an immutable. Tuple is an immutable, so it will not change any values. Okay, even add and append, for adding append, right? Append function also not allowed in tuple. Attribute error. Okay, remove also not allowed because it is immutable. Are you clear, guys? Now immediately you have some doubt. Then what is the difference between list and tuple? Okay, let me show you. This is the difference between list and tuple. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. The second one is element represent in square bracket. Tuple element can represent only in parenthesis bracket. Third one is store to store the list element, Python need more memory. To store tuple elements, Python need less memory. Performance is less when compared to tuple. In tuple, performance is high when compared to list. Best example is YouTube, Facebook comment box for list, because if you comment some positive comments you entering today, tomorrow you can also edit that or delete that comment. Okay, but in tuple, best example is bank account number. If once there is two type of bank account, savings and current. If they provide one bank account number, they won't change. It is a constant. So for that case, it is a tuple. It is an immutable thing. And also vendor mission. It will because the value is constant. We can't modify. In that scenario, we can use the tuple. Okay. Okay, guys. You just remember these 7 points for tuple. That is, order is preserved. It is same things as a list except tuple is immutable. Okay, remaining things are same. Except it is an immutable and it is represented in the parenthesis bracket. Are you clear, guys? If you like this video, click like, subscribe, and share to your friends.